In this video, we will go through the steps taken to perform cleaning validation using Shimadzu TOC-L instrument with SSM-5000A. Before proceeding, we need to know what is cleaning validation. Cleaning validation refers to the quantitation of residue after cleaning of production-related equipment to verify whether the amount is within tolerance limit. This is essential for quality assurance, especially for pharmaceutical manufacturing, as this prevents cross-contamination and contamination of products. There are various analytical methods for cleaning validation, and one of them is total organic carbon, or TOC analysis. Some of the features of TOC analysis are its ability to detect all residue organic matters, and it is considered one of the faster measurement to obtain results. Depending on the sampling and measurement method used for cleaning validation using a TOC analyzer, there are three types of methods available. First is the rinse sampling method, where the final rinse is collected and analyzed for TOC. Second would be the swab sampling method with water extraction, where the residue is wiped with a swab material and the deposit is extracted with water for analysis using a TOC analyzer. Lastly, there is the swab sampling with direct combustion method, where the residue is wiped with a swab, which is directly measured using the solid sample module, or SSM-5000A. We will focus on the last method in this video. For swab sampling with direct combustion method, there are three main steps. There is swab sampling, transferring of swab to sample boat, and carbon measurement. We first start by adding some pure water to the swab material. Then, perform a swab sampling of a specific area using the wetted swab. Transfer the swab to a sample boat. And lastly, insert the sample boat containing the swab into the SSM-5000A solid sample module and perform the measurement. Once the measurement has been completed, the result of the swab sampling can be viewed directly from the software.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.